Playing it in. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. And the counter looks on here, options available. Incisive pass from Mbappe. Can he get them in front? And now it is there for him. He had to score, and he does.
Well, let's take another look. Yeah, he won't.
That should be chock full of drama here at the Emirates. Plenty to look forward to as Arsenal play host to Manchester City. The action is live. Always a terrific venue to watch a football match. I'm talking about the Emirates Stadium here in North London. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Arsenal facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Here are the starters for Arsenal. Martin, bad challenge, and now it's up to the referee in terms of what to do next. Well, you don't really want to be picking up a caution so early in the game, Stuart.
Well, he's going to be under pressure now. That was a reckless challenge. He didn't need to make it at all.
Rodri. Committed challenge. Teammates available. But the danger averted for now. He has very much been the talk of the town going into this match. Up against his old club, and that's never easy for a footballer.
Oh, can he finish it, Derek?
Well, it might still work out for them. And in the end, no damage done. Rodri. On to Silva. Erling Haaland. Arsenal regaining possession. Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done for now. Martinelli. An encouraging Arsenal move. A fine reading of the situation. Lionel Messi. And Lionel Messi has turned infield. Haaland! And the post getting in the way.
Well, City and I can't believe they're not leading here, but they're certainly creating one or two chances now.
Well, it should boost their confidence, but they can't afford to drop their guard at the other end. Walker gets in the way. And played short. Well, that's as good a challenge as you're likely to see.
Well, you can tell what the fans think of that decision. They're certain it should have been a penalty.
Bernardo Silva sliding it through. He got in the way of that cross. Well, good idea in terms of the shot, but not to be. He has been one of the leading lights in the competition so far, Gabriel Jesus.
Well, the stats tell you everything. He's a top-class striker. Even when he's having a quiet game, he can still pop up with a goal, as we may well see today.
Nuno Mendes. Advantage, Arsenal. And he was very keen to give them the advantage, but instead it will be a free kick now. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Nuno Mendes. And promising stuff from Arsenal. Chance to cross. Looking for someone to play it to. Nicely saved. And beyond the last defender, offside. Rodri. Walker now. And showing good defensive judgment. Getting forward. He's blocked it. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Didn't have the trajectory necessary to get it beyond the wall.
Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
Playing it in. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. And the counter looks on here, options available. Incisive pass from Mbappe. Can he get them in front? And now it is there for him. He had to score, and he does.
Well, let's take another look. Yeah, he won't get an easier finish than that. The defending was all over the place, though.
So the game restarted by Arsenal. A wake-up call for the Arsenal players, perhaps. Can they construct a response? Gabriel Martinelli. And making headway. Well, the fans want to see a shot. Oh, tremendous block. Teammates available. And let's give credit to the defending. Trying to open them up. Messi. Oh, cleared off the line. Alert defending. Gabriel. Well, that's going to be all for the first half here at the home of Arsenal. Second half underway, with City looking to build upon a positive first half performance. Well, not quite the cross he was hoping for. Mendes. Now with Jorginho. Saka. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? This could square the game. It's still alive. And I think the threat has been averted. Araujo. The ball with Rodri. Well, in typical fashion, Erling Haaland asking plenty of questions of the defence in the first half. Difficult to contain, Stuart.
Well, he certainly had an impact on that first half. Scoring that late goal, but I thought his overall contribution...
Gabriel Jesus! And pure instinct from the keeper.
Well, a top-class reaction from a top-class goalkeeper. Brilliant stuff. Well, there's the confirmation. That was nowhere near to crossing the line, was it?
And still danger here. And in at the second time of asking. Just what was required.
Well, when you see this again, I think the goalkeeper's very unlucky. He makes a good initial save, but the ball comes off of him, rebounds straight to an attacker, and the finish is excellent.
Alphonso Davies. Teamwork and passing in evidence. Out of play, City throw. Can he do it to take the lead? Well, not troubling the goalkeeper at all there.
And from that sort of distance, you should be troubling the goalkeeper. Technique let him down there. Well, City should be leading comfortably here because their creativity has been really good today. But if you don't take your chances, there's always the danger you might be caught on the counter-attack. And that could certainly happen here.
Carvajal. And we have more live Premier League action coming up for you soon on EA TV. It's Arsenal taking on Chelsea. And fed forwards. Can he put it in? And punched away. Chance still on. Closing down well. Gets in the way once more. Well, there to intercept. Into the advanced position. Ball is loose. And holding on to it at the second time of asking. Ronald Araujo. Well, that's wonderful attacking play. Marvellous anticipation. And they will make the change now.
Number 41, Declan Rice.
Bad place to lose the ball. Can they cover up? No defensive resilience there. City know that wide area is really opening up. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer. And you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, here's the replay. He's done really well to get his head up and pick somebody out with that cutback. And Haaland wasn't going to miss that one. From that sort of range, he was always going to score. What a well-constructed goal.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Gabriel Martinelli. Now with Jorginho. Will it happen for them? And a goal! An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long.
Well, it's a good finish, as you can see. Look at the bend he puts on the ball. The keeper just can't get across to it. That's an excellent goal.
Well, another equaliser. What a topsy-turvy game this has been. Just 10 minutes remaining here. And it will be an Arsenal free kick. And forward go Arsenal. Do they have a late winning goal in their future? Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And when he gets onto it, he holds off the challenge, keeps his balance, and makes good contact with the ball. That's a top-class finish.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Alphonso Davies. Akanji has it. Gabriel Jesus. Played into the centre. No two ways about it. A wild, wild attempt.
Well, it's so hard to get this right, and he just couldn't adjust his body quickly enough.
Rodri. Mbappe with it. This could be troublesome. And a goal to level it up late on here. Just look at the reaction.
Well, just watch this again. It's a really dangerous cross by Davies, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Goal for Manchester City.
So back underway and level begging at 3-3. Gabriel. And here's Saliba. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time. Arsenal remain on the front foot. Can they find a winning goal? Can they forge ahead? Oh, a challenge of the highest order. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Can they profit from this? And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. They could pick out a teammate. Oh, it's a really well-timed challenge. And the referee brings this contest to an end. It certainly was pulsating. It had us on the edge of our seats. Stuart, your take?
Well, it was excellent entertainment. We saw good quality.
Well, as you can see on camera... Great thrill to watch Erling Haaland in action. He can be absolutely unstoppable, and we should expect that he'll have a prominent role to play in this one, Stuart.
Well, I think we can expect goals if his form is anything to go by. You just hope that back line has been studying the tapes, because most teams have really struggled to keep them at bay.
Will it happen live on EA TV? Hello and welcome to the Etihad Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Manchester City facing Brighton and Hove Albion.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
And a look at the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson stands between the posts. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And lining up through the middle in attack today, Erling Haaland. And making the run to the inside. And he's through here. But can't avail himself of the chance.
Well, he'd be disappointed with that. Maybe it's just come a bit too early for him.
And a look at the lineup for Brighton.
Well, the wingers will be key here. They have to choose the right time to give width and the right time to come infield to support the centre forward. If they can do that, they're a potent front three. No doubt about that.
Well, Manchester City will be looking to improve upon their result from the last game when they drew against Arsenal. How do you think this one will go, Stuart?
Well, they were really good going forward, but too open defensively in that game. Today, they just need to play with a bit more freedom, and if they can do that, they'll win this one.
Very quick thinking there. Jamal Musiala. Alphonso Davies. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Out of play for a Manchester City throw-in. Well, possibilities in the centre. De Bruyne. Foiling his opponent completely.
Can Lloyd Sherrod, that's Lloyd Sherrod, please make yourself known.
And out for a throw-in, just misfiring with the pass. De Bruyne. That's not a bad ball. And putting pay to the danger. Billy Gilmore. Messi. Mbappe! And a goal to give them the lead. They have their reward.
Well, we won't get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful. And what a finish from Mbappe. He gives the keeper absolutely no chance. It's such a powerful strike.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. March. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Great opportunity. Oh, tremendous reflex action there from the keeper.
Well, he didn't have long to react, did he? But that's a top-class save, I have to say.
And Brighton have it back now. This could be the equaliser. Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long. And this match is level again.
Well, here it is again, and I have to say, the defending is so poor. They make so many bad decisions there. No wonder the keeper's exposed.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. A City free kick forthcoming. Mbappe. Could go ahead. And a fine stop. Mbappe. The defender doing his job. Timely intervention. Mbappe. Might it be Mbappe? And a goal! Just like that, they're back in front.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And Mbappe's movement and penalty box awareness makes that finish look easy. That's a really good goal.
So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. March. Now can they make something happen? Lallana. Will he finish? They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Messi. And now Stones. Alphonso Davies. Mbappe. And the cross into the middle. And the danger's still on. Lionel Messi! Well, far from the ideal header, and the goalkeeper had it all the way. Mbappe. And stopping the danger. Holland. And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Reading it well. And defensive resilience there. A very good tackle. Chance to put them in front. So that is it for the first half. Even Steven at the break. And Stuart, your thought? Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Mbappe. Lallana. And intercepted it. And Messi with teammates to play it to. Will it be? And a goal to delight the fans. Just what they were hoping for.
Well, you have to ask, where's the defending? The keeper is completely exposed, but he still had to finish it, and he did it really well. It's a good goal.
You can't really say defences are on top. 3-2. Holland. Igor. Estupinian. No advantage with them. Referee says play on. And a tiny challenge. He's in position. And he's made it a brace for himself. The defender is just unable to stay with him. And he's having a field day.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
So the current scoreline, 4-2. De Bruyne released it nicely. Erling Haaland. Oh, and it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
By Manchester City, it's a triple substitution here. So the action continues and City really cantering to victory here. Really fine play to keep possession. Gross. A gift for any goalkeeper. Bolton doing well to regain possession here. Nice weight on the pass. Phil Foden. Well, good run this. Now what can he do with it? Well, far from the cross he had in mind. Goal kick it is. And a substitution in the offing.
To be replaced by number 34, Joel Veltman.
Araujo. Now Holland. Defensive roadblock in the way of that cross. Joel Veltman. Pervis Estupinian. This looks promising. Lallana. Surely! Oh, off the post! And behind it goes.
Well, he did everything right there, but he doesn't quite get it inside the post. That would have been a brilliant goal.
A quarter of an hour remaining here. Mbappe. Here's Bernardo Silva. And offside it is. And they will make the change now. Igor. Deserves credit for winning the ball back. Wonderfully weighted pass. Bernardo Silva. Able to get his body in the way. And time for the change now. And deciding to go short with this one. Bernardo Silva. And a fine cross. Managed to get it out of there. And Bernardo Silva has it. Oh, great defending. And play halted, free kick given. Five minutes to go. And Sufati. March. And striking it on the volley, just no luck.
Well, good technique, but just wide of the target.
Mbappe. And with that, the attack fizzles out. And the referee has deemed that an additional 4 minutes are in order. Wasteful from City. Milner. Pedro. Making progress. He brings it down, but work to do. And there is the goal to make it a hat-trick. Excellence in finishing, there for all to see.
Well, here's the replay, and what a well-delivered cross this is. Perfectly placed, but you have to question the defending here. They don't...
Well, there's the final whistle, and Manchester City have come out on top in this game. Your verdict?
Well, Derek, it was a comfortable win in the end. Fully deserved them.
No two ways about it.